Now, a lot of doctors in Australia have had a difficult time, shall we say. But what's the situation there now? Is there still doctors that are unable to practice because of a particular opinion that they took
it's
in the
appalling.
pandemic?
It's appalling. There are doctors who haven't been able to work for 2 years. One I'm aware of is thinking of selling a house because she's it's impoverished her. These were people who were prescribing, for example, ivermectin at a time when it was legal to do so. It's beyond imagination.
Well, we don't want doctors going around saving people's lives, do we? I mean, this is unbelievable.
It is
what doctors are supposed to do.
It is. And to me, the whole COVID issue, talking about really the government and the earlier question you asked about individuals, is that COVID became a metaphor for what was happening in terms of the management of patients, that traditionally we based on the rule of science and the rule of the doctor-patient relationship. Doctors were unable to prescribe safe drugs that they'd been using in different forms and ways as off-label for years because of government intervention. In Queensland, one of our states in Australia, you could be jailed for prescribing one of these safe drugs that every doctor had been prescribing, but if you prescribed it for COVID, where it was indeed effective, effective.
It was working.
It was working. Then you could go to jail.
Yeah, and I mean, I'm happy to say I've taken one of these drugs, and I'm fine. And
so have I.
Many of us have taken these drugs.
Many of us.
We're not saying it's not. We're not giving medical advice, of course, but we are saying that we have taken these drugs.
I think the big pharma industry was manipulating all behind the scenes. They were targeting doctors. They were reporting them when they did anything that they thought they could get them deregistered for. They were changing their Wikipedia. They even did that to me.
Yeah, and me.
And you too.
My Wikipedia page is...
I didn't even realise I had a Wikipedia.
Do read my Wikipedia page if you want to...
If you want to see what happens.
If you want to see how bad I am and have a bit of a giggle.